Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check Epic server status and sign into your account so authentication is not the blocker. Close Fortnite and any overlays or background apps that capture audio or video because they can interfere with media streaming. Once done, switch to a wired connection or move closer to your router to stabilize bandwidth. This reduces packet loss and buffering. Finally, restart your platform, PC, console, or mobile so temporary cache is clear and the client reads fresh network settings. Next, focus on the network handshake and client health. On PC, flush DNS and renew your IP so stale name records are removed. On consoles, power cycle the router and console to achieve the same effect. Make sure your NAT type is open or moderate. Strict NAT blocks streaming components. If issues persist, clear Fortnite cache or use Epic Games Launcher's repair tool to replace corrupted streaming assets. These steps address both transport and local file problems that most often cause media streaming failures. Finish by updating graphics drivers and your console or OS firmware because codec mismatches can break media playback. Run Fortnite again and test streaming. If failures continue, uninstall and reinstall as a last resort since that ensures a clean asset set. If reinstalling doesn't help, collect logs, note exact error messages and timestamps, and contact Epic support so they can correlate server logs with your session. A single troubleshooting tip. Try a different network, mobile hotspot, to quickly isolate local ISP issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.